Alright, so I hope by now you understand that the fourth quadrant, okay, on the cross, where the 9 is located, is the truth, okay? It's the fourth quadrant or the cube of Saturn, okay? We're all worried about them devil worshippers and their cube of Saturn worship, eh? Or their Saturn worship, eh? That's your Saturn worship. Clearly depicted with that hair on my pen. Saturn is the fourth dimension. 1, 2, 3, fourth row. Time. And if this is the Earth, and when the Earth was complete, the V sat down and created nothing on the seventh day. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seventh day, guys, and sat down to become 1 of 7 of 13 of 110. You know, 1 of 7 of 13 of 110, guys? Like 1 of 7 of 13 of 110? That depiction, where the stars are just singularities, which depict columns of rows, which depict one-dimensional lines, 11 one-dimensional lines, 9 one-dimensional lines, and on the diagonal, 10 one-dimensional lines. If you're 9, 10, 11, guys, you know that? You're 1 of 7 of 13 of 110. Okay, that's the Earth. What connects the Earth to time is Saturn. Is the ruler. It's the only thing touching, guys. It's the only thing connected to us. Saturn is our only connection to Jupiter and all the other universes in the skies, or all the other galaxies in the sky. All the other galaxies, like the Milky Way galaxy where we live, in our solar system. All the other solar systems. It's the gatekeeper, guys. Saturn's the gatekeeper to Jupiter and the infinite in time. Okay? That's why 9's important. That's why the cross is important, guys. Okay? Now, I think I get how to decode a name. Because, again, your flesh, okay? The flesh of man. Where is it? Flesh of man, male or female. I don't really care, guys. Of a soul. Okay? The name of the soul in the flesh is in the flesh. So you have to account for the 0. You have to account for the 0, guys, with your brackets. And when you break these letters, okay, letters are the n+1, guys. You have to add 1 to letters. But when you break it down to numbers, okay, when you break it down to numbers, you don't have to add the +1. The letters, you need to add the +1. Okay? So that's the cipher. Your first name, your middle name, your last name. Broken down into numbers, guys, from letters. And then what I did is I shuffled all the characters to one side. Lowest to highest, lowest to highest, lowest to highest. And because I know that you need a 0 in the end. You need something has to cancel. I know something has to cancel. So because this one doesn't have a 0, but these all have zeros in them, I know that one of these ones is a 0. And then all the numbers stay the same. It's kind of funny, eh? 45, 45, 45. Your 999 is in my name. Okay? That's interesting, eh? It's a power number, I would say. Then when you start decoding, okay? So you make the 0, 1, then you start decoding, okay? So your 2 and your 2 is a 4, and then you're left with the other stuff, okay? Your 4 and your 5 is your 9, and then you're left with the other stuff, and your 4 and 5 is 9, you're left with the other stuff. And you keep doing that. Your 4 and 4 is 8, and the other stuff, 17, and the other stuff, okay? And then here, your 8 and 5 is 13, plus the other stuff, guys? 12. So then you see what's common to your name, to a name. So what's common to all my names is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 ones, guys. And 5 ones. A V, guys. A V worth of ones, just looked at differently. So if you cancel those, you're left with the 279. But look, the zero's still here, guys. I haven't taken out the brackets. Because remember, they were letters. Okay? Look at that. Reading from left to right. Because man and God are reverse. It's a 9, 11, 7, and 2. And a 2 is an 11, guys. Okay? That's my name. 3 names. Okay, your middle name could be multiple names. You could have like 17 middle names. I don't care, guys. It all decodes the same. It all go into the middle quadrant. Okay? It's pretty significant stuff here, if I would say so myself. Okay? Now, if you take the letters, the numbers, letters turn into numbers, and then just decode the numbers, these are the numbers you get. First, middle, last. Okay? Interesting, huh? Interesting? Anyways. Okay? So I think that's how you code the letters and the numbers. So, like, I didn't really have it bang on, you know, when I did my Brady video and Gronkowski. But it made me think, guys. I've been thinking about lots of stuff, guys. Like the news. Made me... What's happening right now in our reality as we currently are living out Revelation... Okay, the Revelations, the book of Revelations from the New Testamental, guys, in your Holy Bible. Okay? We're living Revelation right now. Okay? Nuclear war. World War III. End times. All that stuff. This is our flood, guys. Okay? The earth will not be flooded. Okay? That's why we're given the rainbow, guys. Okay? It's a promise. We'll not be flooded again. That happened. Right now, they want us to fear everything. World War III, nuclear, you know, the capability to kill the Earth. X number of times over. Made me think of this movie. Which is a clear depiction of what's happening right now, but in a movie form. You know, Dr. Strange Love. A Strange Love. A Doctor of Strange Love. Or, How I Learned to Stop Worrying and Love the Bomb. Stanley Kubrick was a very funny guy, I'd say. You know, 1964 it was released, okay? 10 and 10, 20, 21. 2 and 1 is 3, guys, you know? Three in a circle. No, it's just the 3, guys. Anyways, 2, man, it's a fantasy. An hour and 43 minutes, you know? 60 and 43, guys. 103, guys. 113, 5. You know? Anyways. 3 makes 4 makes 5. Got me thinking about The Watchmen. Remember how the movie The Watchmen ends, guys? The bombs go off, guys. Sorry to spoil the movie for you, but the bomb goes off. Bombs go off, guys. Just like in this movie, the bombs go off, guys. The bombs go off. In this movie, the movie just ends. In this movie, we're treated to an additional scene of the future. Of a time later on after the bomb. Where men came together and unified as one for 1,000 years, let's say. Okay? To fix the broken shit. Because it didn't matter anymore at that point, guys. They had to put back the pieces, okay? How I Learned to Stop Worrying and Love the Bomb. Truth bomb, guys. I don't know. Clearly depicted. It's your 4th cube of Saturn, man. It's your connection to time. It's the thing that touches the Earth. Okay? The stars, guys. The 88 fixed rotating constellations. You know where your soul originates from. It's the thing that connects your flesh and your soul of man to the rest of time. That's why you're eternal. because your soul is in the column of time. The cube of Saturn is the keymaster and gatekeeper to Jupiter and the other galaxies in our universe, like the Milky Way galaxy. We're a planet in a solar system in a galaxy. We're a planet in a solar system in a galaxy in a universe. 3. 3, guys. 9's cancel. 6 and 4 is 10. 11. 11 in a circle is 3 lines, guys. The Matrix. Jeez. It's freaking me out. It's not freaking me out, guys. It's making me smile. Clearly depicted, guys. Now, is that an emoji for you?